Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we need to retip this tiny diamond here. Because the prongs are so... Oh man, this has been tipped before. Whew. Oh, this is kind of interesting that a lot of people don't know. Any silver new game plus over there, or just easy and hard difficulties? What? Friend Squirrel, I don't understand. Oh. Oh, I get it. I get it. Now I get it. I get it. I get it now. Video game. Yep. I got it. It wasn't bad. Okay, so I want you to look at these. I wonder if my camera will pick up on it. Oh, yeah. Okay, so look at that center diamond. I'm going to show you the difference between full cut and single cut diamonds. So Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try and retip this, and let's hope that all the progress